Audio and sound effects in this video were created using audio.com. Use the link in the description to get 10% off.
Hello everybody, welcome to Filmmaking today. Bojan Zilovic here. So, are you looking for a extremely affordable on-camera mic? That sounds pretty good. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so the usual housekeeping. This product was sent to me by Simorr Rig, free of charge for this review. However, as always, they have no influence on this video. They're not reviewing it before it's being published, and all the opinions you're going to hear are my own. So, let's go.
This is the Simorr Wave S1 Lite, an on-camera microphone. This has an ultra-compact build, a cardioid pickup pattern, and doesn't require batteries to run. The S1 is a very simple and affordable plug-and-play microphone. Now let's take a look at what comes in the box. You'll get a manual, a camera mount, cable to connect the mic to a phone, cable to connect the mic to a camera, a windscreen, a dead cat, pouch to carry everything around, and the mic itself. Now let's hear what the mic sounds like outside.
Okay, so here I am outside. I am in a typical park environment. It's a very open space. There's trees over here. There's a street behind me, so you'll see cars sometimes, all that stuff. And I'm about 3 feet away from the mic. I don't have a windscreen on or the dead cat right now, so this is just the mic by itself. And on the camera, I'm recording at -6 dB. And this is what it sounds like. I'm looking at the level. They seem to be fine. It doesn't seem to be peaking, so that's good. And I'm just going to be quiet for a second. Okay, so this is what that sounds like. We'll be right back. Okay, so now we've got the windscreen on. Same settings, same environment, everything else. And this is what that sounds like. And again, I'm going to be quiet for a bit so you can hear the surrounding noise. Okay, and that's what that sounds like, and we'll be right back. All right, so now we've got the dead cat on. Again, same settings, same everything else, and this is what that sounds like. So I'm not sure if it makes a difference in terms of cutting down wind noise and all that. And I'm just going to be quiet again for a few seconds. Okay, and that's that. All right, guys, so as you can hear, this is a pretty sweet little device. I think the sound quality is pretty good, man. I mean, considering the price, which is around $20 to $25, which is, that's a pretty sweet price for a microphone. First of all, as long as you are, 3-4-ish feet away, you heard it. You're going to be just fine, even in noisier environments. It's going to do a great job. I didn't do any post-processing on this, on these test videos. So this is what it sounds like. I just turned up the volume a little bit. That was just to match it with the rest of the video, but there was no post-processing involved. So even if you did some, if you had, more noisier environments, you could probably clean that up in post. So that's good. Now, who is this for? Well, if you are a beginner, definitely. I mean, if you don't have money for gear, I mean, $20 US dollars, keep that in mind. You can definitely afford that, right? If you want a backup mic, so if you're recording on an external source and you want a backup mic just in case, right? This could be it. Could definitely do the job, right? I wouldn't use it as a main mic if you're doing professional work. No, that's not what this is designed for. But as a backup, yeah, I think you're going to be fine. So, yeah, for those two groups, you're going to be just fine with this mic. So that's it. Links to everything are in the description. As always, there are affiliate links, so it doesn't cost you anything extra, but it does help the channel. So keep that in mind. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, tell your friends, and all that good stuff. Thanks.